As Father Swami Sadanand registered his testament on 2nd November 1998 and the news was published in the local daily, it became a sensation. What does man who has renounced the world and all his material belongings to bequeath in his testament? Swamiji had only his mortal remains to donate. He expressed his decision to give away his body to the medical college to research and study purposes. It was Swamiji's desire to do good for humanity not until death, but also after his active life would come to a standstill. In the Christian religious circles, the opinions were divided. Disposal of the body of a Catholic priest in this manner after his death was till then unheard of. Besides being a monk in a religious order, had he the right to decide on the matter? How would it be possible to reverently put to rest his mortal remains according to traditional Christian manner, according to the traditional Christian funeral rites? Where would be a tomb erected to mark his resting place? Swamiji was facing all criticisms with an unperturbed mind. He was convinced of the correctness of his action. I have offered my whole life for humanity, following Christ through religious consecration. How can I hold back my body, my only possession, from my self-gift? Swamiji's self-renouncing life evolved through a gradual process. With a deep respect to the Mother Earth, he gave up his sandals. In scorching summer heat and biting cold winter, he would go around barefoot. In solidarity with poor rural folk around him, he simplified his lifestyle and food habits. When a large number of people are struggling for a single meal, how can I enjoy 3 meals a day? This was his thinking, and he decided to have only one simple meal a day. Once while traveling in a train, he saw a poor man with scanty clothes. It was a cold winter night, and the Nav was shivering. Swamiji did not hesitate to give him his pants and kurta. From the onwards, he reduced his clothes to a single dhoti. His final act of renunciation was giving up of his body for the benefit of humanity.
हे मेरे जन विदा ले रहा हूँ, पिता के भवन मैं जा रहा हूँ, स्वर्गीय गे मैं जा रहा हूँ, स्वीकारने आज अनंत जीवन। स्वर्गीय पिता का प्रेम मैंने दिखाया, अब जा रहा हूँ मैं वो स्वर्ग धाम। स्वर्गीय पिता का प्रेम मैंने दिखाया, अब जा रहा हूँ मैं वो स्वर्ग धाम। हे मेरे जन विदा ले रहा हूँ, पिता के भवन मैं जा रहा हूँ।